Hey guys, this is a new segment of our channel wherein I'm going to unbox the Alesis Nitro Mesh Kit. It is a electric drum that I bought for my son. He wants to practice in his room, and right now we are in his room. But I'm not gonna show the room, I'm just gonna show how to unbox this. And to those who are out there, fathers, I'm encouraging you to help out your children. Encourage them to learn, especially right now in quarantine. Help them out, encourage them to learn how to play instruments or cook or draw or whatsoever that they can be, active. Alright, so again, it's Alesis Nitro Mesh Kit, and we bought this in Law & McQuaid. It's $549, of course, plus tax. And of course, what you will need is a knife. So put it down. So you will see it has the cymbal pad, kick pad, the drum pad, again 2 drum pads, another kick pedal here, and the accessories, and then the module. So here you go. This will be the module. And also, of course, the manual. So this will be the accessories, the cords that comes with it. And also, it comes with a stick. Also with accessories, comes with power supply. This one is the cymbal pad. There you go. Alesis cymbals, right? So this comes with 3. Here's the pedal. Of course, this is for your drum bass. Okay, so this is part of your pedal. These are your tom-toms. See? There you go. So this is your bass drum. So this is gonna be your bass drum. Here you go. Okay, so these are the stand that you need in order to put all the pads. Okay. All right. Stay tuned, because I'm gonna show you how to set it up. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to install this or build this. Now with regards to the unboxing, you'll find this, the manual. Of course, this comes from the accessories, right? And in the manual, it comes with this, and it's easy. All right, it will walk you through. Okay, so it has the tools that you will need. So don't lose them.
morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and in love. Good, good. Good morning, sun. Good morning, life. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and in love. Good morning, sun. Good morning, sun. Good morning, life. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Gee, it's great to be alive and in love. Good, good. Good morning, sun.
Klappat hakten alla fullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Fullfest hela dagen.
That's it, guys. From unboxing to installing or building it together. So of course you have to adjust how it will suit you when you play the drum. Okay, so this, you just need to have headphone, and you have to put it here on this side here, right? And then of course plug this and you can play it and no one will hear you. But if you want somebody to hear, then you need an amplifier for your drums, right? I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you for watching. If you're a first timer, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and also follow us in our Facebook account. Thank you so much. Bye.